Hi, my name is David, and I'm a developer here on Galileo's curriculum and instruction team. I'm here in our tinkering studio where we create all the STEAM projects to engage your camper all summer long. Each day, your camper will have 3 rotations specifically designed to foster innovation and creativity. Here's a sneak peek of some of the exciting things your camper will be doing in each one. In Innovator Studio, campers build creative confidence, turning their ideas into polished take-home projects. This week, stars blast off into outer space Odyssey. One thing they'll launch is a plop rocket, rolling paper tightly around the launch tube to form the body, then adding fins. Throughout the building process, they'll practice being determined by sealing every leak in the fuselage and tweaking variables like launch angle and fin size until it's ready for liftoff. In Idea Lab, campers work collaboratively on daily design challenges. This week, your camper and their partner build a gravity-powered ball run, adding sections of the track with bumps and tunnels until the ball lands into a cup 2 times in a row. We'll practice being reflective by testing after each addition, studying what makes the ball jump the track, and adjusting the slope before pressing on. And in Outdoor Adventure, campers play exciting games, take on team-building challenges, and engage in traditional camp fun. This week, they'll play games like Group Draw, pulling strings to steer a shared marker and sketch out a challenging image like a face or a house. They'll practice being visionary by finding creative ways to communicate and coordinate the marker and dream up flourishes to make their drawing truly unique. We can't wait for your camper to experience these activities along with all the other awesome projects we have in store this week. And remember, at Camp Galileo, campers take home much more than just the projects. They take home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they need to thrive.